All right, it's different now. It's raining hard, right? Hello. Oh my gosh. Woo! Look at this. It's like a hurricane. What are you thinking about? 50-mile-an-hour winds?
30, 40.
30 or seems like more than that.
Like 30 miles an hour.
This is in Mauricio's nursery. So this is pretty significant. So this would be really tough to walk around the Keys. But what the hell, we'll go anyway. Wow. Alright, we're in South Florida in Florida City. Alright. There, you see that. Shutting down. Oh man. Ah. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah, that's really kicking up. Alright, see ya.